viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Coinbase wallet, and in this video we are going to connect over Coinbase wallet with PancakeSwap. Yes, in last video we have discussed about how we can connect over wallet with Uniswap, but today we are going to connect over wallet with PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap also DAO application, decentralized swapping application, and you can easily swap your any coin to other coin. Just use one applications. So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Because you can see here in right top corner the application is installed in my browser, Coinbase wallet extension. I just simple open it and log in. You know my wallet is password protected when I was create account, so I apply password. So going to enter my password here. I have entered my password and click on unlock. Now you viewers, you can see here my wallet is open in front of me, and there is my first account and second account is import a private key. You know, over almost 2 videos before I import MetaMask wallet with private key import in this Coinbase wallet. So I just simply click on address number 1. This is the main account of my this wallet. I have not any balance, but I need to connect this wallet with PancakeSwap, and I also want to give you information. So my wallet is login now. Going to open CoinGecko. This is the official website of cryptocurrency market, and you can get the all information about cryptocurrencies tokens from this single website. Okay, I just simply click on it. CoinGecko.com is open in front of me, and today Bitcoin price is $25,925, and also Ethereum price is $1,636. So if I'm going to check the PancakeSwap, there's listed top 100 cryptocurrency or not. Otherwise I will search in search bar. Okay, so I think not shown in top 100. So simple go to this search option and type here pancake. You can see here the 120 number on this time. This PancakeSwap is associated with Binance exchange, and you can see here this time price is $1.24. If we are going to check the all-time high of this token, so almost $44, means this token is down from all-time high almost 97%. So if you want to go buy this token, is depend on you, and you can get 40x from this token when the bull market will be start after halving. And you can also use this token on these exchanges, also Binance, Bitget, MEXC. Big name is available here. So now I'm going to connect over wallet. So what will I do? Simple is that we just open the official website from this CoinGecko. There is PancakeSwap.finance. I simply open it, and now the official website is open in front of me, and 0% credit debit card fee. You can also get the get started option here, And if I'm going to give you some information about PancakeSwap, so you can also change the network, which network you have selected in Coinbase, and you can also change network according to your main network of chain, or let's suppose Binance chains, Ethereum or Polygon. So I'm going to select the Ethereum chain, and also I'm going to open the Coinbase wallet and we will check. Yes, you can see here we have already login. Now we have selected Ethereum, and you can also get more information about the moon is made for PancakeSwap, trade, earn and win crypto on the most popular decentralized platform in the galaxy. So simple click on connect button if you need to connect your wallet, or you can use your Coinbase wallet with this app. Simple connect, and after that you can see here, start by connecting with one of the wallets below. Be sure to store your private key or seed phrases securely. Never share them with anyone. Okay, so MetaMask, injected, Binance wallet, Coinbase, Trust wallet, many big names is available here, but we just need to use Coinbase wallet. I just simply click on Coinbase wallet. After that the pop-ups open in front of me, where I need to approved. First I need to enter my password here, and then I just simply click on unlock. And also you can read here, that is the wallet balance and activity. Let it send your request for transaction. Fund will not be leave your wallet. So simple click on connect option, and now my wallet is successfully connected. Yes viewers, you can see here the wallet address is shown here, and also balance will be shown here if you have any balance. I have not this time, so that there is not shown anything. Okay, and let's suppose you want to swap one coin to other coin. Simple click on swap button, and you can use this option. Let's suppose you have a 1 Ethereum on your account. Simple click on 1, and you want to exchange with or swap with USDT. So I will select the option from this list, USDT. So if I will pay 1 Ethereum, so I will get 1637 USDT in my account. And after check the all information, you just simple click on swap button, and after confirmation all your fund will be deposited in your USDT option or USDT wallet with the use of Ethereum blockchain. Okay, well, you can also use the earn option, forms and pool and liquidity staking. Simple click on it, and you can choose a pair to liquidate stake Ethereum with B Ethereum. Okay, so I hope you probably understand how can you connect your PancakeSwap with Coinbase wallet, or your Coinbase wallet with PancakeSwap. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.